everyone. Welcome back to Lean Medical Billing channel. And now we are with a new video related to coding denial. As we discussed last 2 weeks, we are going through a lot of coding related denials. All right. So in continuation with that, we are continuing with the coding denial. I'm taking you through the denial codes. If you go back to the denial code category, we already covered denied as an experimental, denied for CPT code. Now we are taking you through the denied for a diagnosis related. There are two way of opinion related to diagnosis code. See, now I am talking about it's only related to a diagnosis code. I am not discussing anything related to your medical necessity denial. Okay, it's only a diagnosis related denial. So there are two codes. One is 146. The denial is invalid for the date of service. That is your DX is invalid code. And the next one is COB22. The payment is suggested because of the diagnosis code. So we have two type of denials here. So let us go through the SOP and we will discuss in detail. So this is our SOP for denied for a diagnosis code. So first we are going to check the diagnosis code in the EOB or a ERA. As usual, check in your PMS system, is it previously paid diagnosis? If it is yes, send this claim back for reprocess by calling the insurance. And if it is not previously paid, okay, and check the validity date of the diagnosis code. See, as we discussed in the CPT, all the diagnosis code will be validated by WHO, and every year they will delete the diagnosis code as usual. They will add a new diagnosis code. This also will come to an implement every year. So as usual, the PMS or the medical billing software companies, what they will do, they will go back to their system and then they will update the deleted diagnosis code, and then they will create a new diagnosis code in their system. So usually this DX related denial, what we are discussing, should not come. Okay, if we are getting it, you please check what is the PMS capability and inform to PMS, ask them to update these informations. Okay, if anything related to diagnosis code, first check whether the DX is active or not. Sometimes there is a problem with your EDI or the electronic interchange between your clearinghouse and your payer. Sometimes it incorrectly denial may also happen. So in that scenario, you go back and then send this claim back for reprocess by calling the insurance. Okay, and if it is an inactive insurance, inactive diagnosis code, see what you're going to do is you have to send it to the coding review, and this may be related to your truncated diagnosis code in EDI. And sometime what has happened is the code which you selected as a primary diagnosis code cannot be a primary diagnosis code for the particular CPT code. This is a major challenge which you need to get it done by the coders. Okay, and sometimes the digit is missing when we are entering, and then the electronic transaction, something may happen in this scenario. So you have to correct this and send a corrected claim. So if you send corrected claim, obviously your claim will get paid and there won't be any challenge in it. Okay, this is what our SOP is. So as usual, we are going to see how we are going to do this in a lean way. See, as usual, input, we are sending an input and then we are doing some process and we are trying to get an output. So input, our denied claim, and we are doing a process as a corrected claim, and we are going to get a payment. Obviously, it's a value added service. Whatever this denial, it is going to bring you a revenue. Okay, so we don't want to work in that way, right? So we want to do a lean way. How we are going to do it? So we are going to the Gemba walk. See the claim encounter form which is created by your charge entry team, and you're billing the claim, and it's denied for the invalid diagnosis, and you're sending a corrected claim, and you're getting a payment. This is what our normal workflow. See, that's a Gemba walk says. See, we are going to do the VSM and how your process should be. See the charge entry, once a charge entry is done, you are going to do the billing audit based on your history of a denial. Okay, go back and then check your historical denial related to diagnosis, and then check the PDX whether this particular diagnosis code can be a primary diagnosis for that particular CPT code or not. And if you get anything related to the diagnosis code, add into your billing audit, fix here itself, and then bill the correct claim and straight away get the payment. See here, you should not get any DX related problem, especially with this particular denial codes. So this is the way we are going to improve. Here there is no need of AR to work on this particular denial, and this need to be fixed by your charge entry and the billing team. Okay. I hope you enjoyed our video, and you have any questions you can post, and we have started getting a lot of queries in the YouTube, and you can post your comment, and then we'll try to give you the feedback with the correct answers. Okay. If you like our video, please like it, share it to your friends and your circles, and subscribe our channel. Please visit our website www.leanmedicalbilling.com for more updates and then more information related to the medical billing. Thank you. Have a nice day. We'll meet you again with a coding series next week. Thank you.